Hi, my name is Diva and I love to eat, and let's eat some Haitian food. Guys, today's my first time trying Haitian food and I am so impressed. It exceeded my expectations because I've never really heard about Haitian food much. Haitian food might be one of my most favorite foods in the world. So I got a conch stew, which is called a lambi if I'm not mistaken. It is freaking phenomenal. It is so good. I also got their legume stew, which is made with eggplants and there's beef inside, and wow. And the rice, I got the jojo rice, which is with mushrooms. So good. And the pickles, which is like pickled veggies. I think there's carrots, cabbage in it. It takes it to another level. And how can I fucking forget about the Haitian mac and cheese? Everything is so good. Haitian food, if you've never had it, you need to get it. I'm so happy.